earn this today, I hope.
For the Chancellor, a Coke and a Twix on a day focused on the rising price of everything. The food on the shelves,
30 quid,
the petrol in the pumps. Just some of the things making us all feel the squeeze. So faced with the shock of soaring inflation, what could the Chancellor do?
Rishi Sunak.
In the House of Commons, he began with that eye-watering cost of filling up.
Today, I can announce, for only the second time in 20 years, fuel duty will be cut. Yeah. Not by 1, not even by 2, but by 5 pence per litre.
The £5 billion cut will last until next March, when there will surely be a row over its reinstatement. There was a VAT cut for energy-efficient products, an increase in the employment allowance, nothing on universal credit, hitting the poorest hard, and then this little holler. No, that wasn't quite it. Next, national insurance. The Chancellor sticking with a rise in April, but raising the income threshold at which the tax kicks in.
I'm going to increase it by the full £3,000. That is a £6 billion personal tax cut for 30 million people across the United Kingdom.
The government is raising national insurance contributions by 1.25 percentage points to help fund health and social care. But now the tax won't kick in until the higher income threshold of £12,750 because of the cost of living crisis. Overall, around 70% of people, or those earning under £36,600, will pay less national insurance. Everyone else will pay more. Before he sat down, Rishi Sunak had one more thing.
Mr. Speaker,
a very early election promise.
In 2024, the basic rate of income tax will be cut from 20 to 19 pence in the pound.
A tax cut in 2024? Shadow Chancellor Rachel Reeves argued it was too little, too late.
This Chancellor has raised taxes more in the last 2 years than any previous Chancellor in the last 50. Now, he says it's all down to the pandemic, but the truth is, the Conservatives have become the party of high taxation because they are the party of low growth.
And then outside Parliament, a stark warning.
And some groups really haven't been protected at all. So you look at people on benefits, on universal credit, on disability benefits, nothing. And another group ought to be perhaps slightly worried are public sector workers, teachers, nurses and so on. Nothing for them in this either.
A spring statement that experts say may ease the pain, but by no means extinguish it. Anushka Astana, News at 10.